We were referred by friends up the street who had used Anthony and E Talley on multiple projects, and then we met with Anthony in our home before the project, and we just got along really well from the beginning, and we're really happy to work together.
I was very impressed with all of the work and how clean the project was, so thank you.
I would absolutely refer E Talley Construction to friends and family for whatever projects they have.
So as you can see, we have a long list of satisfied customers, and we're just really happy. We're happy for the TJs, for the Rabbi Greg. We're happy for DeLuca Smith. We're happy for Brian and his wife, and just all the folks. Too many to name, too many to put on this video, but we're just really thankful. And our testimonies and our reviews just show it all.
We're on another recurring customer. This is Revere Road. We have done so much work for them in the past. We did a room restoration, owner suite, bathroom renovation. Last year we did a custom door opening where we open up with a stone door. Next year we're going to do a kitchen. Well, actually still this year in the summertime we're going to do a kitchen and a rear restoration.
And we can't talk about recurring business without talking about Adam. Adam is a local newscaster. He's the weatherman in the Philadelphia market. Now we're back at his home. We're doing a major restoration job for them. We're doing a kitchen. We're doing a fireplace. We're doing hardwood floors throughout. We're doing doors. We're doing 2 custom bathrooms. It's actually too much to even mention all of the beautiful stuff that we're doing at their home. So we can't wait to show you the full video, but for right now, we're just talking about how recurring business really works for us. DeLuca Smith, man, the gift that keeps on giving. Starting when I got fired at Toll Brothers. Downside, because I didn't get fired, I didn't do anything to get fired. It was just that time. He hates when I say that, but again, what I thought was the worst day of my life absolutely turned out to be the best day of our lives, because we started E Talley Construction and never looked back. And Rob, Vaughn, and I have been together ever since. I think when they did their first project, I was right there. So doesn't matter what it is. If they want us to frame a house, if they want us to do the whole house, if they just want us to do parcels, we do whatever they need us to do for them. We're there for them. Sometimes it's just a minor punch list. Sometimes, again, it's a whole house. So in closing, if you have any projects, whether they be large projects or smaller projects, we do multifamily projects, we do commercial projects, we do residential projects. You call us, we come, we'll satisfy, and we will make sure your expectations are met each and every time. E Talley Construction signing out on a testimonial video.